Well, comics are notorious for creating some really fantastic looking machines, and today we're going to draw one from the Marvel Avengers series, the Quinjet. Now, this is way cool looking, and it's really cool because the wings fold up and fold down again. We're going to draw it with the wings down. And of course, there's lots of weapons attached to this thing so that the Avengers can do their stuff. It's blue, light blue, and it's a lot of line drawing in there to get the details right. Let's get started. I want to hear this thing whoosh by when I'm done. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.